doing good? Welcome to my Zoho Inventory full tutorial for beginners. Zoho Inventory is a platform that will allow you to monitor your business like never before. With Zoho Inventory, you'll be able to better improve your stock management, so you'll be able to better know which product is near to being out of stock. Also, you'll be able to know the products that are selling the most. You'll be able to get a full grasp of all of your inventory, and you can also create invoices, you can also create quotations, and so much more. This is your one-stop platform if you're running a business and you would like to get on top of your inventory and sales. To get started is completely free. All you need to do is tap on Access Zoho Inventory. Then from there you'll be redirected to this page. But before diving in, I want you to view their demo setup. So if we were to select demo, this is how our dashboard will look. With the Zoho Inventory dashboard, you can see right there to be tracked. If we were to go over to the left hand menu option and tap on Inventory, you can see right here we can tap on Items, and from there you'll be able to view all of the items that are currently in your store. If we were to go over to the left hand menu option once more, from here you can see the item groups, so you can put items in group to make it even easier to track them. You can also tap on price list, and from there you'll be able to view your price list. And you can also view your sales by tapping on sales. You can tap on customers. You can see the customers that have purchased it. You can also view sales order and so much more. And you can view your purchases also. And if I were to go back and tap on home, by scrolling down you'll be able to see the items that are low in stock. You can also scroll down and you can view your sales right here and so much more. Now to get started, as I said earlier, after you have tapped on Access Zoho Inventory, you will be redirected to this page. Once you have set this up, you're going to tap on Get Started. Now after you have tapped on Get Started, you're going to be redirected to your dashboard. Once on the Zoho Inventory dashboard, I'll be showing you how to set it up. Now once you're signed up, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. Once on your dashboard, the first thing I'm going to be showing you to do is add products. To add products, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option and you're going to tap on Inventory. Then from there, you can tap on the plus that says item right here. And from there, you can input your item name. So you have two options. You can either add goods or service. And you can input the goods name or the service name. You can scroll down. You can tap right here where you see unit. And you can choose box or you can choose any other unit. You can also scroll down and add the dimension and the manufacturer and so on. Then you'll be able to add your selling price and your account and so on. Then you'll tap on Save. After you're finished doing that, if we were to tap on Items once more, so let's say for example I were to tap on Items. After you have done that, you'll be able to add your products into groups. So you can create multiple groups by tapping here. You could tap on Create New Item Group, or you can create a new item by tapping right there. You can also create your price list by tapping on Enable Now, which will allow you to view a price list of all of the items that you have added. After you have created your item groups, you can tap on Item Groups below Items from the left hand menu option and you will be able to view it. And to get access to all of the features on Zoho Inventory quickly, you can tap on the plus in the top right hand corner. After you have tapped on the plus, you can see three different categories. So for example, if we were to tap on Add Users, this is where you'll be able to add team members. So you can input the team member name, email address, then select or create a role, then you'll tap on Send. After you have done that, if we were to tap on the plus once more, from here you can see the option to add items like I've shown you earlier. You can also transfer orders. You can also tap on Inventory Adjustment. So this is basically where if you were to, for example, sell a product physically or so on, or let's say a product were to get damaged and you would like to adjust, you would like to go into the system to adjust the quantity, you can do that right here. And after doing that, you can tap on the plus, and from here you can add your first customer by tapping on customer. You can add them based on business, or you can add individual right there. So if you were to tap on business, you could add the customer name and then the company and so on. Right here you could fill out this information. As you can see, this is a platform that is beginner friendly and easy to use. You can also use it to create invoices by tapping on invoices right here. You can create your first invoice. So you can set up your first invoice by adding the customer name, invoice number, order number. Then you can scroll down and add the items, and you can tap on save and send if you would like to send it. If we were to tap on the plus once more, you can create sales receipts. You can set up everything. If it is a case that you would like to offer a customer a credit note, you can also do that by tapping on credit notes right there. And you can also create purchase orders by tapping on purchase orders right here. You'll be able to create purchase orders real quick. And that is basically it when it comes on to Zoho inventory. If you would like to edit it further, you can tap on settings in the top right hand corner. Then from there, I'm going to tap on leave and discard changes. After you have done that, from here you can further adjust you can set up your taxes. So you could tap on taxes right there. You can adjust the users and their roles. And if it is a case that you have multiple warehouses, you could tap on warehouses. Then from there, you could enable multiple warehouses. Then you'll tap on new warehouse in the top right hand corner, and you can add the warehouse name. You can also set up branding by tapping on branding right here. You will be able to upload your organization logo. And if it is a case that you have multiple branches, you can tap on branches and you can enable multiple branches. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe